Sa'yo to. Stay. Pero what? Angas na nag-animate ito. Kasi ka na nakuha.
Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's.
Tis ka na?
Ka.
Oh!
All me!
Down A. Okay.
Oh, more. Go, get your ace, brother. I'm blinding.
Buti binantayin ko eh.
Spike down B.
Nar.
Wallet. You're a fuck. Oh, okay, it works.
Pare, ego wall yan. Pag nag-pick yan, patay yun. Double stack me, nigga.
Ano double stack? Mid top mid.
Mid.
Hindi sila papasukin mo sila. Pwede na sila.
Aha, sige.
Go, get your ace.
Watching main.
Heaven, Astra.
Enemy remaining.
Ace,
Get your ace, nigga.
Down B.
Ayun na.
Nice.
God, buti talaga sila na.
Grabe naman ba yun?
Ako yung binaril ang puta.
Maybe we'll say.
105.
Last player standing.
No, natalo ako.
One enemy remaining.
Last on your right.
Sure.
Hindi, actually nasa kanya spike. Baka mag-B.
I-clutch mo.
Sorted.
Kita ko?
You saw him ata.
Let's tag.
Ang ingay yung puta.
35 yun.
Nice.
Sakto sa top.
Gecko.
Has this bitch ever shut up? Ba't mag-isiscare me na sa
Go. Balik lang may baba. Diyan na sa inyo.
Eh?
Good job. Pasok na. Nice one. Side.
Enemy remaining.
Unknown. Ito sa akin. Patay mo? Nice!
Wow.
Good job! Okay.
talaga.
There's Gabby. You got it. Thank you very much. Go, bait me. Let's go.
Planted.
Back in business.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, so.
Ano yata?
Maliban doon sa gamit.
Sleepwell, yung kay Pela.
Wala na,
Patay tayo.
Pinagsama-sama ko ata yung gano'n ko, tapos binigay ko kay...
Need help,
Sino pa ng post mo?
Kay ano?
One enemy remaining.
Last sa'yo, Julian.
Kay Kafka yun. Ayun na nga.
Edi siguro pwede yung yung simulated universe na sa kanya.
Kapeng?
Pioneer River of Dead Waters. English Standards, debuffs by 12%. Hindi ba maganda kay Black Swan tong Pioneer? Oh, Euro clone.
Flip market siya.
Ultihan mo.
Knife him.
Hello.
Oh my god! Gagi, napanood ko. Gagi sa YouTube. Oh my god. May jump scare.
Baba. Smoke ng cut.
Careful now. Watch your eyes.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Aswan dyan. Yeah, get it!
Flawless.
Gago pinlasik.
Flow.
Spike down A.
Ay, sorry.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
You don't mess with my crew.
Go.
Walang tao? Can you believe it? Nice one. So ba, pati yung ano siguro. Wait, blinding. Nasa kaliwa.
One enemy remaining.
Nice one, GG's.
I'll wait for you there alone. Nice shot.
Dangling
Don't force the
dongers.
issue. Ikaw kung may aim, hindi ko ang kaya.
Nice shot. Isa pa, Kenji. Isa pa, Kenji.
Isa pa.
Isa pa, Kenji!
Isa pa.
Isa pa eh.
Nanakaw.
Fuck!
Ayaw maniwala.
Send.
Sa round of 4. I'm on the most unlosable angle. Oh my fucking god, no fucking way!
Nagka-black eyes ka, no? Tang ina,
Isipin mo ka saan? Kay
Castle.
Oo!
Tang ina ka. Nagka-black eyes ka kay Castle!
Wala naman stairs. Bantag yung hallway natin sa ano? Sa daycare.
Jesus.
What?
Yellow stairs?
Ay, putang ina mo. Left. Yan. Nice, diffuser yun.
May isa mga galing sa right mo.
Okay, that just works I guess.
Nice! Last one yung tinag mo kanina.
Ano mo ha?
Shotgun! Boom!
Ang puta, nawawala si Idol eh.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
It's point! The right side. Bagal lang siya.
Reinforcing!
I really don't get kung anong mahirap para isang patay isang tao. Holy shit. Pahil nga Inigo. Inigo, please.
Ha? Sorry.
Second floor yan, nasa hatch.
Ang bobo mo!
Nagarush ako.
I'm rushing. Ay, bombo cloud, Kenzie.
Oh my god, please tago na lang. Jordan's kanilig mo, magtago ka na lang please.
Soft fall dun.
Ba. Shock wire.
Don't pick, Jonas, don't pick. Stop.
Shock wire.
Stop picking!
Nothing stairs.
Oh, saan yun?
Classical hall.
Saan?
Classical hall.
Tag. Hindi niya alam.
You're about to learn something very hard.
1 HP man.
Kinorkay ko pa.